This video is for the lesson 6.6 homework. We are writing the cubic function from a table using finite differences. So number one, what is the name of a list of common differences between the third successive y values, change in y, when first differences between successive x values, change in x, are also a common difference? This is a third. Yep, so we're looking for third differences when we're doing cubics. Number two, what is the name of a list of differences between the nth successive values, change in y, when differences between the first successive independent values, change in x, are constant? This is just anytime you find it, it's a finite difference. So if it tells you specifically third successive, second successive, third difference, second difference. If it's just telling you the nth, it's not giving you a value, just general, it's a finite. All right. So to write these out, you are going to need your notes from Friday completed to be able to do this, because it's a process. Okay. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to write the differences. Okay. All right. I think I think that change in one is always, or the change in x is always 1. But we've got to find the changes in x. So remember, you work backwards. So you would do 2 minus 11. So 2 minus 11 is a negative 9. Negative 7 minus 2 is a negative 9. Negative 10 minus negative 7, a negative 3. Negative 1 minus a negative 10. Don't lose negatives. Minus a negative 10. Okay, positive 9, and then 26 minus a negative 1 is 27. That's first. That's first change in y. Then we go back and we do the second change in y. So negative 9 minus negative 9 is a 0. Negative 3 minus a negative 9 is a 6. 9 minus a negative 3 is a 12. 27 minus 9 is an 18. That's the second change in y. One more time. 6 minus 0 is 6. 12 minus 6 is 6. 18 minus 12 is 6. That is my third change in y. The good news with this unit is everything, it's going to have a common third difference. You know how in quads and linears, we had to average them out sometimes? We don't have to do that with cubics. Again, because this process is so long and so drawn out. All right, so the a value. Y'all ready? So we write these in the form ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d. I would somewhere on your paper write down like a equals. So a, 6a equals that third change in y. So that third common difference. So it's 6a. 6a equals whatever that third change in y is. Okay? So that means a equals 1. That's my first piece.
Well, wait, why is it 6a? Sorry.
It just is.
It just is? Okay.
That's the pattern. I mean,
so no matter
what
table I'm doing,
no matter what table, it's 6a equals that third change in y. Yes.
So it'll always be 6a?
Yes. Okay.
Oh. Well, then where'd you get the a equals?
Because it equals the third change in y.
And the third change in y was 6.
All right, here's your next piece. 6a
You divide 6 by 6.
plus 2b equals. I got to remember.
Where are we getting 2b?
Okay. Here, I'm about to show you. 6a plus 2b is going to equal your second change between 0 and 1. Wait.
0 and 1.
I thought 6 was the
Yeah.
answer.
So from 0 to 2, here's your changes: 9 and 27. It's this one.
So 18.
So wait, why is it 2B's?
Equals 18. That is just the formula.
It's just the
That is the
number.
mathematical
It's so
formula.
random.
Preschool?
Okay? So between 0 and 2, it's the second difference. So here's the change between 0 and 1. Here's the change between 1 and 2. It's the difference between those differences.
So for the 6A plus 2B equals 18, can't you plug in a 6 for the 6A because you know that equals 6?
No. You're going to plug in a 1 for the A.
Okay, so basically.
Yes. Plus 2B equals 18. Now for this, you can just menu 3-1 it. Menu 3-1, 6 times 1 plus 2B equals 18,
Comment.
comma B. I plug the 1 in for the A. Because you have to. You can't solve an equation with 2 letters. So, B equals 6. All right, here we go. C. A plus B plus C equals, line these back up. It's the first change between 0 and 1. The first change between 0 and 1 is a 9. So A plus B plus C equals 9. A is 1, B is 6, plus C equals 9.
So that makes C
2,
2. Wait.
yes. 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yep.
D's the easy one.
There's a D?
Find where X is 0 and that's your D value. And then you put your pieces in. So A was a 1, so we just do X cubed. B was a 6, so plus 6X squared. C is a 2, so plus 2X cubed. And then D is a negative 10.
Wait, why is it cubed?
Nope, 1.
Okay, I was like,
Plus 2X minus 10.
yeah.
Dude, you got a headache too?
It's the exact same thing on all of this, right?
It's the same process.
But yeah, we need a
really
few
had
more
that
practices
headache.
with this.
All right, here we go. Here we go again.
Hold on.
Okay, so third common difference is going to be on every single one of these.
Third difference on all of them.
Can I call the difference?
Help me do them. Negative 24 minus a negative 30. I got a 6. What's negative 14 minus negative 24?
Negative 28.
Let me
10?
calculate
Oh,
it.
10. Negative 6 minus negative 14. 8. Negative 6 minus negative 6 is a 0. Negative 20 minus negative 6. Negative 14. 10 minus 6 is 4. 8 minus 10 is a negative 2. 0 minus 8 is a negative 8. Negative 14 minus 0. Negative 14.
I'm just gonna buy me a dry erase board.
All right, negative 2 minus 4 is a negative 6. Negative 8 minus a negative 2 is a negative 6. This is the one that should be the same. Negative 6.
Okay, so
Okay,
first things first, you got 6A equals negative 6, right?
so 6A equals negative 6.
What's up with all these sixes?
So A,
So you divide it all by 6, right?
because I had to work these tables out where they were multiples of 6 so you didn't have crazy numbers.
So we all repping.
All right,
So to get the A, you just solve, right?
solve.
Okay.
All right, 6A plus 2B equals, all right, 0 to 2, right? So it's this one. On all these tables, it's going to be the last number on the second row because I made all the tables identical.
So wait,
Between 0 and 2, it's the second common difference. Yeah, so see how here's 0 and 1, 1 and 2,
and then the one below that.
And then it's
So
the change
common
between-
difference between. Okay.
and that equals this. So again, if you need to draw yourself some pictures. So we know A is a -1. So we can do menu 3-1.
6 times -1.
6 times -1.
2b, comma b.
2b equals a -14, comma b.
Oh, yeah.
So B equals -4.
Now we gotta do c.
All right. A plus B plus C equals
6.
the change between 0 and 1.
So 8.
So 0. So A is -1, B is -4, plus C.
Yeah, I can't see. Let's go.
Oh, I'm sorry.
So
Okay.
we got
A plus B plus C equals 0.
-1 plus -4.
Alright.
So you plug that in and then comma C.
Plus C equals 0, comma C.
5.
C equals 5.
Now we gotta do D's.
And then the D
Yeah,
is
the
just
bell's
right
gonna
equals
ring
0.
in about 10 minutes. That's fine. All right, so now we write it out. A is -1. So -x cubed.
Wait, we didn't do D.
D is just where the
D is the y-intercept. B is a -4, so -4x squared. What?
Is it always gonna be cubed like that?
The first one is always, A is always cubed. C is a 5, so plus 5x. D is a -6.
Can you move your paper up to the deal you got on the top? No, the actual worksheet. No, the deal you wrote at the very. Keep going, right there. Yeah. Okay.
I don't like math.
YouTube.
All right, here we go.
We do it again.
Common differences. All right. -35 minus -90. 55. -10 minus -35. 25. -3 minus -10. 7. -2 minus -3. Again, make sure you're going backwards, right to left. And then 5 minus -2. 7. Whoa. Yeah. Make sure you're using a calculator. I'm sorry, but y'all are not smart enough to do integers without a calculator. I use a calculator because your brain does. Your brain tells you 3. 25 minus 55 is -30. 7 minus 25 is -18. 1 minus 7 is a -6. 7 minus 1 is a +6.
This is the one that should be even.
This is the one that should be even.
I'm feeling some 6s.
-18 minus a -30. How about a 12?
Oh.
-6 minus -18.
12.
12. 6 minus -6.
12.
12. All right, here we go.
So A6
6A.
plus
6A is going to equal 12.
So it's 2 this time, right?
So A equals 2.
Okay.
Okay.
Divide your third common difference by 6.
so A is equal to 2.
Divide your third common difference by 6. All right. So 6A. So we can just put that 2 in there.
A plus 2B.
6A. No, that's not right.
Wait, what? That's a
6A plus 2B equals. Okay.
Is it always 2B?
Yes.
Equals 6.
It equals between 0 and 2. 0 and 1. 1 and 2.
6.
So this one. 6.
It's a powerful throw over here.
So menu 3-1. 6 times 2 plus 2B equals 6, comma B. B equals -3. A plus B plus C equals the first change between 0 and 1. It's a 1.
So it's 12.
2 plus -3, not 12.
Oh, yeah.
A.
I wrote that down wrong.
2 plus -3 plus C equals 1, comma C.
C equals 2.
C equals 2.
Okay, that's
And then B.
now I get it.
All right, here we go. So A is a 2, so 2x cubed. B is a negative 3, negative 3x squared. C is a 2, plus 2x. D, negative 3.
Yeah.
Okay. Last one, hopefully we can do it. Y'all do this for me. Gavin, do 54 minus 175. Braden, 9 minus 54. Sadie, 4 minus 9. Michaela, 3 minus 4. Kaysen, negative 30 minus 3.
Alright, mine's negative 45.
Okay, my calculator's first one.
175 minus.
No, other way. 54 minus 175.
Mine's negative 5.
Mine's negative 33.
Mine is negative 121.
Okay, let's do it again. Gavin, negative 45 minus negative 121. Braden, negative 5 minus negative 45. Sadie, negative 1 minus negative 5. Michaela, negative 33 minus a negative 1.
Mine's 40.
Wait.
76.
What is yours, Gavin?
Positive 76.
Mine's 40.
Sadie,
4.
negative 33 minus a negative 1. Negative 32. All right, last go around. Gavin, 40 minus 76. Braden, 4 minus 40. Sadie, negative 32 minus 4.
I got negative 30.
Mine's negative 36.
That's what it should be.
Negative 36.
That's what it should be. All right, here we go. So, 6a equals negative 36. Negative 36 divided by 6 is a negative 6. 2a, no, stop it. 6a plus 2b equals negative 32. So, stop. Menu 3-1. 6 times negative 6 plus 2b equals negative 32, comma b. B equals 2. A plus b plus c, the change in between 0 and 1, equals negative 1. So A is negative 6, B is 2, plus C equals negative 1. Negative 6 plus 2 plus C equals negative 1, comma C. C equals 3. So now I have what I need. All right, here we go.
And D equals 4, right?
D equals 4. A is negative 6, so negative 6x cubed. B is a 2, so plus 2x squared. C is a 3, plus 3x. D is a positive 4.
Hey,